Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new planner by Clever Fox Planners. It is called the 13-Week Ultimate Achievers Goal Planner. It looks like this. Oh, it's so pretty. I'll also be having a giveaway, so keep watching. So I have worked with Clever Fox Planners in the past, and you probably remember how much I love their products. So of course I was excited when they contacted me to see if I wanted to review their newest planner, and of course I said yes. So they sent me 3 copies of their 13-week planner. The first one is in this gorgeous navy blue, so pretty. And then they also sent me one in the ruby red. This one's my favorite. Oh, I love it. So pretty. And then, of course, they sent me this one in pearl white, which is absolutely gorgeous as well. And, of course, all of them have the foil Clever Fox logo on them, which I just think is so cool. So anyways, so for today's video, I am going to give you a walkthrough of the planner itself so you can see close up what this planner has inside of it and all of its fabulous features. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So this is how the planner comes in this gorgeous gift box with the Clever Fox logo on it, which I think is so cool. It has a magnetic side, and you open it up, and this is what it looks like. When you open it up, we have a pamphlet right on top here, and this kind of just walks you through and gives you some ideas on how to use the planner itself. So that is a very helpful little tool. And then we have the planner itself. It normally comes in a protective plastic sleeve, but I took that off so that things will go a little quicker for this video. I think this is so cool. And then to get the planner out, there is a little tab down here, which is so cool. You lift that up and then the planner comes out. And then down below, there are some stickers, which is always fun. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 stickers. And they have updated their sticker game, which I think is super cool. They got some fun ones. They've got ones for tracking things. And then, of course, I love these little box ones, which are very cool. So that is very nice, and then there's these ones as well. So let's go ahead and go through this planner. Like I said, this is the 13-Week Ultimate Achievers Planner in the color Ruby Red. It has the elastic band on the side to keep it nice and neat, which I absolutely love. It has the pen loop, which I love that feature as well. It also has down at the bottom 3 different ribbons so that you can easily flip from section to section in your planner. The cover itself is a little different from the other planners that I have from Clever Fox. Those ones are more of a padded cover. This is more of a hardboard, very hard, sturdy cover, and it's got this really nice feel to it. It's a little bit texturized, and it looks to me, it's got a linen-like look to it, which I think is very, very nice. So I'm liking the new cover a lot. When you open it up, you've got your title page here in the front. The next page is helping you define your goals. At the top it says, define my goals, and my goal focuses on these life areas: health, finance, business, personal, fun, family, relation, or spiritual. Below that, there's a section that says, if I achieve this goal, my life will improve in the following ways. And then it has a spot for 4 milestones, and you have a spot in each box to put a deadline. And then at the very bottom, there's a spot for an accountability partner to sign, and then a reward if you want to give yourself a reward. On the other side over here is your goal number 1, so you can kind of make a visual mind map of it. You got your goal 1, and then all 4 of your milestones that you can list out. So it's kind of a nice, easy way to see your goal and visualize it. When we turn the page, we will have another 2-page layout that is the same. I forgot to mention the first one that up in the left-hand corner it says goal number 2. So the first page says goal number 1. This one is goal number 2. And then we have a spot for a third goal, a fourth goal, and finally a fifth goal. So you can use this for 5 different goals, which is actually, that's quite a lot of goals. Alright, so then after that we turn the page and we come into a monthly calendar spread. There are spots on the bottom of both pages for writing in. It's just like bullet journal area, and along the side as well. So we have 1 page, 2 pages, 3 pages, 4 pages of calendars, which is very nice. After the calendar pages, we get into the week 1 plan. On the left hand side, it lists out your plan for the week, and then on the other side is your review of the week. So starting at the top of the week 1 plan, there is a section called this week's milestones, and there is a numbered 1 through 5 with areas for you to write in. Off to the right hand side are these little circles, and you can write in the circle the goal number from the beginning of the planner that corresponds with the number that you are, that you're writing about. Below that is the milestone, like, what do you call it? Titles, I guess. You can circle, whether it's business related or fun or relationship or spiritual, so you kind of know at a glance what you're going to be working on for the week. There is a work to-do list where it's got a nice big section for you to write out some things that you need to get done. And then below that is a personal to-do list with a nice big box for that as well. Off to the side is a habit and skills tracker where you can list out quite a few items that you want to keep track of, and then there are circles throughout the week that you can check off as you do the items. And then down here at the very bottom of the page is a dot journal grid for you to do any sort of writing that you need to do. So then moving over to the week 1 review side, this side of the page is for you to reflect on the week and see how you did and how you can improve for the following week. So up at the top it has some prompts for you. Did I reach my milestone? If not, why? Below that, what were my biggest wins? And below that, what made me happy? And then further on down the page is what did I learn? And how did I feel about my progress? And they've got these little smiley faces and sad faces ranging in emotion, so you can circle that for the week. And below that there is a section on how I will make next week even better. So then as we progress through, there are page after page. There's week 1, week 2, week 3, all the way up to week 13 for your planning and review purposes. And then we get into the daily page spreads, which I've used the handy dandy little ribbon. See, it says weekly on it. I believe, let's just go over the ribbons right now. There are 3 ribbons like I mentioned before. One of them says today. One does not have anything written on it. And then the other one, it says a week on it. So you can put this with your weekly review or plan, and your other one for the today on your daily schedule, which is very cool. And then you could use the other one obviously probably for the month, which would be nice, or wherever else you wanted it. So your first page is kind of like your planning page, and your second page has got your schedule and like a place for reflection on the day itself. So first let's start on the right hand side, and I'll zoom in here. At the top of the right hand side there is the morning review. There's affirmations, grateful for, and excited about sections that you can fill in. Below that is the activity for the day, and then you have your different categories: health and fitness, personal development, family and friends, fun and recreation, spiritual, and relationship. Below that is your work to-do list. It looks like there are 5 spots for items there, and then there is a personal to-do list with 5 spots as well to write in there. And then the remainder of the page is a dot journal grid, which you can use however you would like. Then moving on to the right hand side of the page, at the very top it says day 1 of week 1. And then there's 2 spots up here on top. The first one is today's main goal for you to fill in. And then there's a little circle up here so you can correspond that with the goal that you have for this journal. And then over here, there's a box called Today's Priorities. 3 spots for that, along with the little circles to map out which goal you're working on. Below that, there is an inspirational quote, and then your schedule, which ranges from 5 a.m. until 10 p.m. And then at the very bottom of the page, there is a spot for listing out the day's wins, and then the other spot is how I can improve for tomorrow. So as you turn the page, each day there is another 2-page spread per day, and at the very top on the right hand side, it's going to count down the days and also give you the week that you're in. So this one is day 2 of week 1. And then as you progress through the journal, it stops on day 93, week 13. And then the remainder of the journal is this note section that's set up with a dot grid for your journal, like bullet journaling, and there are 4 double-sided pages in all. And then at the very back of the book, they have their little pocket, like normal, for you to put things in. Alright, so that is a good look inside this fabulous new planner by Clever Fox, and I am loving this. There's so many features about this book that I love. So I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough of the new planner by Clever Fox. I like the setup so much, and I am excited to use it. So let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway itself. Clever Fox Planners has graciously offered to give 1 copy of their 13-week Ultimate Achievers Goal Planner to 1 person from my channel. So we're going to do a little giveaway, and there are a few rules, of course. So in order to be eligible for a chance to win one of these fabulous planners by Clever Fox, there are 4 things that I'm going to need you to do. I will list them out here now, and I will also list the rules down in the description box so you can reference them. So rule number 1, you must be a U.S. resident. Number 2, follow Clever Fox Planners on Instagram. Number 3, follow Clever Fox Planners on YouTube. That's super easy because you're already on YouTube, so that is awesome. And then finally, number 4, down in the comments, I would like you to answer this question for me. If you had one of these fabulous 13-week planners, what is the one feature of this particular planner that you are the most excited to use? There's a lot going on in this planner, and there are a lot of different features that I think are very helpful. So what is your one feature of this planner that you notice during the walkthrough of the planner that you think is the coolest? I would love to know that answer down in the comments. If you take care of those 4 items, you are entered into the contest. And let's see, how long are we going to have this open for? So today is, let me look at my calendar. Alright, so today is Friday the 13th. Oh, Friday the 13th of December. Huh? I did not realize that when I started today. Huh? That's funny. Alright, well anyway, so today is Friday, and I will keep this giveaway open until next Wednesday, which is the 18th. So the 18th of December is the last day at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time in which you can be entered into the giveaway. So you have from now the 13th until December 18th to get yourself signed up and your name in for the opportunity to win a planner. Alright, and then the next day, the 19th, I will have a designated video announcing the winner of the Clever Fox Planner. Alright, hopefully that all makes sense. If not, check out the description box. All the information is going to be there. So, yeah, that is perfect. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed this little walkthrough of this new planner. I am so excited about this planner. I cannot wait to use it. I love planners. Like, brand new planners are so amazing. I love them. They get me so excited and energized. I just love a brand new, crisp, colorful planners. I just love it so much. And these Clever Fox planners are awesome. So I'm excited to get mine like set up for the new year. I'm so excited about that. I'm such a nerd. I know that. But I love planners. Love them. And I'm very excited about this one. So, and do also keep this in mind now that it is, you know, December and you're giving. There's a lot of gift giving going on. A new planner would be an amazing gift, I think. I mean, I would love a new planner any old day of the week. So, I mean, Christmas would be a good time because, you know, everyone's getting ready to like switch over their planners for the next year. So I think that, you know, there's a lot of people on your list that you could give a planner to, and that would be a very welcomed gift, I would think. So keep that in mind when you're doing your little Christmas shopping. There are links in the description box to the Clever Fox website. You can easily use that to do a little shopping. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the planner, and of course, I hope that you will sign up to enter your name in the giveaway as well. That would make me very, very happy. So, I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.